Hi folks, this is my fourth time filming. Between the church calls and my mom's asking me for stuff and helping out, and my alarms are going off, and helping neighbors and everybody else, and I'm kind of tired and I don't feel good, so I get my rest like my doctor says, and I got my tanks full. What's kind of interesting was overcast. I thought we were going to get rain or thunderstorm. Find out it's all smoke. Wonderful for my lungs. My doctor says it's like smoking 2 packs of cigarettes. Anyway, what's this about is I'm going to write a letter to Mamabear Prepping on whatchamacallit. She was doing a video on one-pot meals and depression era meals. Now I tell a lot of beginner preppers, make a rabbit box. And they kind of look at me like, what's a rabbit box, Uncle Al? And I show them the simplest design. It's a stick and a string. Unfortunately, they've been watching too many Bugs Bunny cartoons and they set it up wrong. And I kind of look at them like, nah, you've been watching too many cartoons, kid. So I showed it. The string goes inside the box. It fits on a stick. The stick has a notch to another stick that's based into the ground. When the rabbit goes in to get the feed, it knocks the string and it pings off the stick and the box fall on the rabbit. Easy as pie. A 7-year-old Bunky can make one. Okay, it's not rocket science, folks. Fairly easy. Okay. Also, I'm going to write to Mamabear Prepping on making Wilton pie. Oh, God. She wants to eat Depression-era cooking today. Oh, she's going to eat Depression-era cooking today. Uncle Alan's a foodie, and if you watch Palmetto Prepare on spices, that's true. Except for chilies. Chilies came later in the 14th century. Because Uncle Alan reads a lot, and he's a little crazy, and me and my foodie guys are all arguing, why don't you do a foodie channel, Uncle Alan? Because I'm not set up, and I'm not that capable, and I tend to mumble, and Uncle Alan's crazy, and most people wouldn't watch it. And my friend says, you cook great. You just don't know how to handle the camera. Yeah, what gave you that thing? You dropped it in a pot of boiling water. Okay, so anyway, let's go on after the mail and stuff like that and shouting out people. And I'm going tired. Check out these people right here. If you read them, I always put them up on the list. And then these guys right here. Okay, Alaskan Prepper, Alaskan Granny, Sutton Days, and Prepper Potpourri. And my mates in England, check them out. Okay. They have right now a ping apocalypse because their phone system went screwy. I think they got hacked and everybody's panicking because there's no food on the shelves. It's like this. If you quarantine the workers and the truck drivers, you don't get food on the shelf. Duh. So, remember, keep calm and carry on. Don't panic. If you're prepared, like everybody on this list right here is prepared, we have nothing to worry about. We're laughing our heads off. Okay? And don't forget to check out Southern Ohio Prepping. And let's see who else. Oh, yeah. I got too many things. Tommy's Homestead Garden and Preps in South Carolina. Now, a lot of our prepping channels, this is the main point, a lot of our prepping channels have been hit by ghost channels. Those are the people who only watch videos, not getting into things, and they're not in the loop. If this is just a thing on their phone, I have my phone charged over there, and they don't understand that you're a ghost channel. And most people, when they see icon that is a letter, that's a ghost channel symbol. That means you got it off your phone. You better upgrade your channel. Okay, there's buttons all over the place where you can upgrade it. Put an about page, because if you don't, you're going to get hit as a ghost channel, or you're going to get hit as a porn bot. And after so many times, you might get a little visit. Okay, you're representing not you, but you're a ghost channel for illegal activities, child pornography, harassment, racism, you name it. They have a list. You could read the Google and also YouTube list of all the violations. You might fit in one. So if you can't do it on the phone, go to the public library, go to your account, to the public libraries, nice public computers, upgrade your system now. Because in a couple days, YouTube is going to purge again. And your channel might get purged if you don't have videos, you don't have a playlist, you don't have an about page. Okay? They had it. They're going to purge you out. All right? I keep losing channels, regular channels who did everything correct. They're upgrading their AIs and you're going to get purged hard. Or you're going to have a little phone call, or worse, people at the front door asking, where are you at? Okay? You don't want that. You don't want like, oh, it's just like being swatted. No, it's like you're going to answer a few questions, or worse, you might be taking a little trip. Okay? They are doing this. They are serious. They already caught 2 guys, I think in Indiana or South Carolina, that was doing white slavery on YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, and they were trafficking girls, and they were using this medium. So if your channel is a ghost channel or a bot, think about it very carefully. And that's the end of our Wednesday. Is it Thursday? Yeah, it's Thursday's chat. So I'll catch you later, folks. I'll see you later. You have a nice day. I just had a little bit of peach cobbler and charging my phone. Like I said, you can't trust your phones nowadays because it's always spying on you, always listening on you. So I'll catch you later. You have a nice day. Bye, folks. Oh, whoops. Where's the button? Oh, there it is.